Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video is going to be me teaching you guys how to make curls in your hair. So hope you guys liked the tips that I'm going to give to you, and yeah, just keep watching and let's go do the curls. Let's go. So first things first, you have to separate your hair in half, and then you come with a brusher and just brush your hair, all your hair. And then I divide my hair here in two parts. This one goes straight to my back, and then I just keep with the front part. So I grab like a tiny piece of my hair and I come with a curler and I start doing the curves. So then I just wait for 50 seconds to 20 till my hair is like hot, then it's ready. So yeah. And it's okay. So then you guys see, so then I just like push it to be like wave, and then I grab another part of my hair and I just keep doing the same process in all my hair. 15 seconds to 20s, and let's go. And then push it, and it's coming like this, and then you grab like, now I will show you guys, because like in the front I like to do with big amount of hair to be like something more natural. So yeah, now I didn't grab a thin one, I grabbed like a big one. So yeah. And then it's like this. So this is the front part, and now I'm going to do the back part. So this goes here and this is here. So let's do this. And be careful to not burn yourself. So maybe if you have gloves, you can use it, because like it came with one, but I don't know where my mom put it, so I just take risks. Crazy life. So, but yeah, be careful guys, because this is so hot, so like just be careful, you know. Yeah, because you don't want to burn yourself, right? And it hurts so bad. Like one time I burned myself and it was really bad. Like, oh my god, I can't even like describe how painful it was. But yeah, so just be careful, okay guys? Yeah, mom's tips. Kidding, but yeah, I'm serious. Just do the same process. And then this one, and the last piece. Cause like guys, I don't have like a lot of hair, so it's quite like fast. But if you have like a lot of hair, like really big hair, that should take like more time than mine is taking. So yeah. So this side is done, and after I finish, I come with like the, oh my god, I come with like this, and then it's more like just like natural waves. And then I do the same in the other side. So yeah, let's go to the other side. Let's separate, like let's divide into, put the back thing here and then just the front. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, go ahead. And remember to always put like the direction of the curler down, because your waves get more like natural. Yeah, so it's better, so don't forget that. And yeah, and don't forget to push it, because like this you can extend your hair. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but yeah. Sorry. No, sorry. Then I will grab like all, because it's big. As I told you guys, I like to do bags in the front. And I didn't divide like correctly, so sorry. So it got like this, and yeah, baby. And now the back, and this goes back. So you guys see like how fast it is? Yeah, like it's taking me like 7 minutes, like, and I'm in the last part of it. So it's really fast because I don't have like much hair. I have like, my hair is like, it's not like that, it doesn't have like that volume, and yeah, it's not too much, so it's fast. So these go back. Yeah. So just grab another one and just keep doing your work, baby. I was going to say that word, yeah. Sorry, guys. This is not good. Sorry. But yeah, baby. Babies. Yeah. I always do these waves because I like the beach kind of look. So I really enjoy like doing all those waves because it gives me the aspect that I'm always on the beach. And yeah, and I love the beach because I'm from Brazil, baby. So which Brazilian doesn't have like beaches and yeah, like sun and tan and yeah. So I'm on the last part, the last hairs, and yeah, I'm about to finish, baby. So now I will do the same thing to be more natural. So yeah, guys, this is the final result, and these are my waves, and I really hope you guys liked. So don't forget to subscribe, to give thumbs up, and to share with your friends. And I hope to see you again next week. So bye, love you guys, and thank you for all your support. And yeah, be safe. Bye, love you.